Hi guys, it's mail call time. I believe it's all Etsy and auctions. So, I'm going to get busy and show you what I got. This is from Tiffany L.Y. in San Jose, California, and I think this was an Etsy shop. I'll let you know when I open it. No, this was an online shop. And I got a spool. Look at the size of the spool. Wow, that's like stuff they put wire on. I got a roll of raw muslin. I love it. Ooh, I'll have to go back and get some more of this. I love this. I love the spool more. I had ordered it in 2 colors, but the second color got canceled. So that is from Tiffany L.Y. online. And it wasn't very much. It was cheaper getting it through her than on Amazon. Okay, this is from Happy Ray of Sunshine, from her sale. Trying not to cut anything as usual. So from her sale, oh yeah, I got some Halloween napkins because I didn't have any. I mainly wanted the fall parts. And I got these Alice in Wonderland pennants to make dangles for my journals that I'm going to be making. So I thought they were cute. They would look cute hanging down the spine of the journals. So I got these napkins. Got these mostly for backgrounds, for fall pictures, for fall collages. Wow, I didn't realize there was this many here. Cute. Don't be a basic witch. I love that one. That's nice. I like that. Let's get sheep-faced. Oh, I like this one. And then these are some cards that I think was just a variety of vintage playing cards that I wanted to use in my art journals. Very nice cards. Oh, this one goes with Halloween stuff. Very cute. Okay, all of this came from Happy Ray of Sunshine. Ray Perez, from her sale she had. And I think the next item, I'm praying it is from Barb Owens. I think it is because it says howtogетcreative.com. I believe this is Barb Owens. Yes, these are her Mandala Madness cards. Darn it, I didn't order the book. I'm going to have to go back and order the book. I thought I had. Crunch Berries. So these are her own Mandala card inspiration cards. And she has her own website where you can order lots of different things from her. So, I need to go back and order the Mandala Madness book. Oh, I have to download it. Okay, I need to go back and check my emails. Shuffle the deck and pull a card. Allow its mandala, the word or quote, to inspire you and find your favorite cards and frame them. Feeling stuck? Choose 5 to 10 cards and follow the instructions to embellish your mandala and other art. It's a perfect way to regain your momentum. And it says be sure to download your companion ebook. So I have to go do that. Okay. So I'm excited to start this. As you guys know, I'm getting into the mandalas a lot. The next two, I'm not real sure. This is from Jean Peter, and I'm not real sure if this is from an old auction or if this is the angel bag, or I'm not sure. I'm just hoping to see, because I got one from Defy too. So, oh yeah, this is from an auction. Wow, because I didn't get to go this month because I was sick. Slept all day, actually. So yeah, this is from the, I remember buying this. I thought it was from somebody else, but boy am I glad to see this stuff. I really, really need this right now. This is the elastic for making the Midori journals. Oh yeah, I remember these too. These are scenes that you can use, but I was thinking about using them for backgrounds, but they're kind of heavy. They're cardboard, so I may just let Nicholas play with these with some little stick-ons or something. I thought they were paper, but it's okay. They're still, they will be useful. I got some music paper. Yeah, I remember this. Billy Joel, Just the Way You Were. Big piece of music paper. Wow. Great deal. So let me open and see what I got that Kara had to mail. I don't know, but man, it feels like I bought the kitchen sink from her. Alright guys, I'm going kind of fast, but it's because there was a lot of mail here. Then I didn't even go to the box. Oh, this must be the angel bag. Cool. Maybe. No. I believe this is an altered paintbrush kit. Oh, I've never made one. Honest to God, I've never made one. Yep, I believe that is an altered paintbrush kit. So I may try it. Pretty dooley. It may not make it to paintbrush though. So I don't know. I'll have to, a bunch of bling and stuff in here. I don't know if this is the angel bag kit or not. Yeah, this is the angel bag. Including this month's kit is an exclusive from Misty, Night Jewelry. She is providing an exclusive and only the Angel Bag subscribers. So it gives you the link. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So these are all the sheets, and Kara printed it on cardstock. Oh, cow. This is a wrapped legal pad. I like that paper. That'll make some great backgrounds in art journaling. Everything I look at lately is art journal. I don't know why. Major world cities and populations. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Look how big this is. Wow. There's a lot of it there too. Holy cow. That'll take a while to use. I got me another bag for the RV. Yay! I like these bigger size bags. Oh my heavens, what's in here? I can't get it open. Good gravy. This thing is packed. Oh no, and half of it just fell on the floor. Okay. We got a bag, some game cards, a ticket, a card, another bag, some, we call it cardstock, napkin, a napkin, envelope. Oh, they're cute. The card, book pages, some wine, recipe card, some index cards, an envelope, paper postcard, book page, piece of wallpaper, another bag, a couple more bags. I'm going to stick them all in this bag so I keep it together. Piece of music paper, because I'm going to take the other bag already and put it in RV stuff. Oh, I love the texture on this paper. This is like a cardstock with some grains. Oh, I love it. This is going to be good for some projects I have. Oh, look. I love it. Oh, wow. Oh, cute. Big paper doll. Boy, a lot of graph paper and cardstock. That's one piece. More cardstock, more cardstock, more cardstock. Black and white. All of this is black and white. All of this is black and white. Good gravy. Giant envelope full of stuff. Itty bitty envelope with some little hole protectors. Library, you know, that thing we used to go to find a book that we don't do anymore. Some different nature cards, some history cards, some tags. Here's another one of those, what are these called? Dewey Decimal System? Say it with a slap. Oh boy, sometimes I wish I could. Oh look, and songs on the other side, isn't it cute? Couple of tags, those are pretty. piece of ephemera, some ephemera, some ephemera. Look at this doily, isn't that pretty? I like that doily. Okay, here is a extremely delicate, almost transparent in parts. Okay, y'all see anything? I don't. I think that extremely delicate butterfly flew away. Good to cut out butterflies. The pattern, book pages, more scrapbook paper, some more book pages. Darn it, I needed this paper on the journal I'm working on. Just about finished it. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Grid paper on vellum. Haven't seen that before. Some more book pages, some more book pages. Class activity. I remember getting those in school. And some more book cat pages. So this is the... Oh, my goodness. There's more in here. Oh, mask and stencil set. Set includes includes one stencil and 7 mask pieces. It says alone all over it. And here the words have been punched out, so I don't know. Oh, okay, I got it now. Okay. That there. Is that it? Is it empty? And that's everything. So, no wonder my mailman looked grumpy. I didn't even realize it was all sitting out there. My hubby just left to go walk the dog. He says, there's a ton of packages out here. So, I'm going to do some more later, but for right now, I'm going to go ahead and stop and make the video shorter. And I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.